Hey everybody, this is Isaac Harriet with Harriet's Findings. Just one way to do a vape pen that is actually a little cheaper than buying the little Vuse Vibe cartridges, since they cost like $9.99 for two, and they only last like 2 or 3 days, depending I guess on how much you smoke them. Here's the stuff I'm using right here to do it. There we got this little glass drill package I just bought for a few bucks at Walmart, and then I got electrical tape and a torch and some vape juice, Solstice mint. I like the mint. And then I got one of these cartridges right here. It's a Vuse Vibe cartridge. That's what I use. And here's a piece of paper I have on the written everything down, so maybe if you want to check it out or figure out some of the things I have to buy, that's all you need. Okay, first off is you take your little glass drill you got here. Well, just as a little point, made to drill through glass. And take your torch and light it. I know you can't see, but I'm sure everybody can figure out how to light a torch. Turn it up, get a good little flame on it. So, got it going. And then all I'm going to do is take my torch, and I'm going to take that and heat that little tip up for just a little bit, get it good and hot. Up a little arrow on there, but yeah, you just get that tip good and hot. Turn off your torch. Now what I do, is I take my cartridge before this cools down, and I'm going to stick it right close to the end and just push in a little hole and kind of make sure I got it all cleared out. Goes through pretty easy. I get a little bit of plastic come off of it, but just wipe it off. Then you got yourself a little hole right there. I like to do it right there because when I tape it, then you can still see the fluid and how much you got. So I take that and I just put that hole in there. I take my juice, open her up here, and I take this fluid and just put that little tip right in the hole because it should fit pretty good, and then just go ahead and squeeze it. A little better to do in the light because you can see it goes in a little better. Just fill it up, and then I take a rag real quick, just wipe it off, and then take this tape, take some electrical tape, and just pull off about maybe like 1.5 inch, 2 inch little piece of electrical tape. And then you just, I put it over the Vibe part, and so I can see most of the liquid inside. I just kind of stretch it tight on that hole, then wrap it around tight, and bam, you got a refill because this coil's in there last. I mean, you pay $9.99 for these 2 cartridges. It lasts a few days, and those coils stay good for a while, so I just fill it up, clean that little bit off the table, and then you got yourself a full cartridge again. Let's see here, I got one made already, but see, I just have this little Evo battery you could buy. I buy these at Hempy's. Hempy's is a cool little store we got here. Little smoke shop kind of clothing store, but yeah, I got these little Evo batteries and they hook right into it perfect. And yeah, and then This works perfect, I don't know. It's a good way to save money, and those little things are only like $7, those little bottles. So you're actually saving a lot of money, and they last. You can fill them up quite a bit. And that's all it is to make little cartridges, run those batteries by, and get yourself a cool little setup that works pretty good.